Today I'm going to provide you with a quick tutorial on how to borrow books and use databases from the Media Center. First, you'll need to sign into Launchpad, also known as ClassLink. Once you're signed into ClassLink, click on the folder titled eLibrary. When you open up the eLibrary folder, you'll see three apps, the first being Destiny. The Destiny app allows us to search for physical books that are in the Media Center. Those are books that are on the Media Center shelves. Click on Destiny. I'm going to go ahead and change this to Student View so that you can see how it looks on your side. And I am going to quickly search for a book. You'll see in the middle of the page, there is a find, where it says find, there's the search bar. Go ahead and clear that, and I'm going to type in the title of a book. You can type in titles or subjects, whatever you'd like to search for. You can type it in and see if we have a book on that topic. Type in, click go, and we'll see the search results. As you can see, we have 2 physical copies in the Media Center. You'll see it says in the top right corner. For books that say ask, please ask the librarian. They may be out or they may be referenced. On the left side of the page, you'll be able to narrow down your search by author, subject, genre, or lexile. Go ahead and go back to Launchpad and we'll look at Sora Overdrive. Sora Overdrive is the district's e and audio book collection. You'll find multiple subjects and should be automatically signed in once you sign into Launchpad. If not, go ahead and sign in using your student ID and your password. I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, these are some popular subjects, and to the left of the subject, you'll see about how many books that we have in the system. I'm going to go ahead and click on a nonfiction section, and show you how to borrow a book. Nonfiction, as you can see on the top, it's showing that we have 625 ebooks, we have 43 audiobooks, and it includes topics on education, biography, and autobiographies, as well as history and some more. These top 3 books, if I was interested in any of these, you can see to the right of the book, you'll see a blue, the blue word for borrow. You can click on that and borrow the title. But I'm going to scroll down really quick, and I want to show you the difference between these 2 books. The book on the left, Becoming by Michelle Obama. This one with the audio, the headphones, is an audio book. The book on the right is an ebook. I'm going to go ahead and click on the book, The Narrative of the Life of Frederick Douglass, and borrow that book. So I'm going to click on the word borrow. Once you click on the word borrow, it becomes your book until you return it. You can click on the screen to scroll through the pages. And it'll automatically save your spot if you decide to go out. You can click again to bring up the tabs. You can search, you can bookmark a page, you can show the chapters, you can change the reading settings, and they'll have some tips and secrets. To go back out, you can click close. At the bottom, you'll see the home page. Explore is where you want to search for different subjects or different books. The picture in the middle is the book that you currently have checked out, and you can also click on a shelf to see more details about the book that you have checked out. On the left, you'll see that the book is due in 13 days. And you'll have the ability to return the book as well. Let's see what my options are. Click on options. You see you have the option to open the book, renew the book, or return the book. I'm going to go ahead and return this book so that someone else can have the ability to check it out. So Sora, again, the Sora Overdrive app are ebooks and audiobooks. Recap, Destiny is for physical books in the media center. And lastly, we'll click on Mac and Via. That is where we have our databases. Once you click on Mac and Via, scroll down to databases. We do have some ebooks and audiobooks. Those ebooks and audiobooks will be books that were purchased from the local school and not through the district. So they are local to the school. But we'll go ahead and click on databases. And as you can see, we have several databases available for you to use to start your research process. I'm going to go ahead and click on Explorer Secondary for middle school. But I implore you to try to use as many resources as possible, and a variety of resources, such as books and databases, just so that you can get a variety of information. And so here's Explorer. As you can see, you can research art and literature, biography, business and government, current issues. At the top, we have the search. And for today, I'm just going to go ahead and type in the word steroids. As you can see, it'll give us some suggestions, but I'm going to go with just the top one, steroids, and see what comes up. Here you'll see the Boolean phrases, the delimiters that was used. You see on the left, you can have full text. You can ask for scholarly journals. You can change the publication date to say that I just want to see recent. Because remember, we want it to be current, timeliness as well. We don't want something that is too old. Maybe within the last 5 years. And let's say I decided to click on this first one just for today's tutorial. You see that we have it in PDF, full text, but I specifically want to show you the left side. If you're using Google, you can save it to Google Drive. You can actually also print out this article. You can email it to yourself, add it to a folder. But most importantly, you can also cite this work. You want to make sure that you're able to cite your work. And we use MLA. So you can simply copy and paste it into your works cited page. I'm going to go back out of this. And see if I can quickly show you Britannica Online School Edition Middle School, just to show you another database and how that may look as well. They all look very similar. In Britannica Middle School, you'll see on the right side there's articles. You can search for images and videos, biographies, World Atlas. I'm going to use the same search term, steroids. And you'll see that it also gave me some recommendations. And I want to be specific. I want to have it about drug abuse. So I'm going to click on drug abuse. But as you can see, there's articles. There's also images, videos, and a dictionary on key terms. And that's always provided for you during each search, although some of the tabs may not have information under it. I'm going to click on the article for drug abuse. And again, you can see that at the top, the difference between this one and the other database is that you can change the reading levels. This is a reading level of 2. You change it to 3. And you can change it to 1 as well. But we'll go back to 2. Top right corner, again, you can print, you can cite, which is very important. You can have it read to you as well, and increase the font or decrease the font. You can also click on images and videos. Related terms, or information related to the topic. There are also some teacher resources. But you'll also see that the Lexile level is noted there, the Lexile level for the article. And that is it for this tutorial. Just a quick reminder, Destiny is to search for physical books within the Media Center. Macavia will allow you to search the databases that we have. And Sora Overdrive will allow you to search the ebooks that the district purchases. Thank you.